Alright, rise and grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video, we got a 2019 GMC Terrain. And I want to show you how we're going to knock out these front and rear brake pads. Just the pads. Should be a quick video, straightforward. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got a 14mm wrench on that. You can use a socket or whatever you got. Right there, free. Look. Here we go, we got our pads. See how low they are. Get that spring out of there. Those pads off. New hardware, we're gonna replace this old hardware, so we're gonna take that off. Go ahead, use a C-clamp, push that piston in. Got it pushed back, now we got room for the pads, the new ones to go on. Take off the caliper. See our guide pins, you wanna get some lubricant. Lubricate those guide pins so they don't be stuck. Alright, brand new pads. Part number DG1913. Got our new hardware. Lubricate those guide pins. So I forgot to mention, you can put those clips back on there. They don't have new hardware clippings, so I'm gonna put those back on there. Alright, that's going to be it for the front. Hit that rear. Alright, we on to the rear. See what we got. We got 13mm on these in the rear. If it turn like this with it all at once, you gotta hold that. I had to use the pliers on both of them. So you want to keep that bottom one in before so you can break that free. Because it's going to turn up if you don't. And our pads. Take off this hardware. So I believe I'm gonna have to use my scanner to open this, command it open, push that piston back. Brand new gold pads. New hardware. Alright, we want to get this piston back. That's a T30 All right, and I bent this back so I can fit that in there because it wouldn't go behind there. So I bent the hose line back some. It's 2 of these. See, I already took that one out. Taking that one out, we're gonna pull this unit off. All right, got that off. Now, this right here, it's a bolt. All right, we got a T45. Stick that in there. And you want to turn it clockwise. And you should be able to push this by hand. All right, so we got it back. So I just turned it clockwise, and I pressed on it. Then went back and turned it again, pressed on it, and I noticed it stopped. Like right now, it won't turn again. So I backed it back out. All right, next you want to lubricate your guide pins. All right, that's it for the rear. It's gonna be it, man. Pretty much the same procedure for both sides. All right, we got front and rear done. You can see that level went straight to the max, and we good. That's a brake indicator. You're not supposed to refill or fill it up when it's low. It's telling you that your pads are low. All right, man. Until next time, the Pull Up King.